here. It will be the best to show it on here. Wait a second, I will just delete this one. I have a text here, and let's say that we want to change the opacity. The first thing, I'm going to make it like this. But really great thing to do with opacity, you can animate it. So we are going to do that. We are going straight on the beginning, and we will start our keyframe at 0%. Then we will go to middle, it will go slowly to 100% opacity, and in the end of the text in our video, it will go again to the 0. And let's see how it looks like. Ocean, opacity coming and opacity going back. What you can do also, what I recommend, is to, when you're going to create a keyframe here, you can put it again to 100%, so it will stay 100%, 100%, 100%, and it will start going down. And let's see it again. Ocean coming up, staying, going down. Now what you can do also is to grab all of your keyframes, right click on them, ease in. You are going to accomplish that you can, it's going to be much smoother. Yep, and that's about it. This is how you change the opacity of your image, video, logo, whatever in HitFilm Express. I mean in Adobe Premiere 2019. I don't even know what I'm saying. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye.